Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. As you know, my name is Ruby, or in my previous video I have shared some of the phrasal verb which you can use in daily life, and I have also said this thing that if you want me to speak in Hindi, or if you want me to make a video over the topics of the grammars according to your wish, so comment below so that I can get to know that what kind of video you are willing to watch, right? So in this video I am also going to share some of the words which you can use in your daily conversation. Basically most of the time we use the basic one, right? So instead of using the basic one, you can replace with the advanced one. So in this video I have brought up lots of advanced words or replacement I can show you. Okay, so first one is that the funny. So most of the time we use this funny, right? Like you are very funny person, first example, right? So instead of using funny, you can say humorous. You must have heard, I am quite sure about it. Okay, if you aren't, so you can take from here. Funny means humorous. So instead of saying you are very funny person, use this word, you are very humorous person. Okay, this is the first one. Second one is that childish. So childish word basically we use the person who has a quality of a child. ठीक है, कोई नॉटी की तरह बिहेव करता है, however his age is 20 or 25, बट अभी भी वो ऐसे बिहेव करता है जैसे कि उसके अंदर नॉलेज नहीं है और माइंड नहीं है. he acts like a baby. Okay, so instead of saying you are a kind of childish person, so you can say infantile. Okay, so this is the example of childish. Like he was very childish at his 25 age. So instead of saying that, you can say he was infantile at his 26 age. Okay, this is the example, like this you can use. So next one is that the tired. We can replace tired with exhausted. So instead of saying that I am tired, right, you can use I am exhausted. So next replacement we can say it's a thanks. So most commonly used, most of the time we can say the thank you, thanks. Okay, thanks for your wish, like this. So instead of using thanks, you can use gratitude, right? That I would be, or the next one could be the grateful. Okay, these are the two words, gratitude and the grateful. So let's take one example, like I will be always grateful to you. So don't forget to use these two words, gratitude and the grateful. These are the basic or the advanced which you can use or replace by thanks. So next one is that a lot of. Most of the time we use a lot of, which we use it for the large amount of thing and for the huge thing. Okay, so instead of using lot of, we can use plentiful. This is the advanced one. Most of the time we do not prefer to use, but try to use them. Plentiful. So let's take one example. I have plentiful chocolates. Okay, like this we can replace lot of by plentiful. The next one is that good, right? I'm quite sure that most of the time we use it only good, right? So instead of using good, we can say delightful or the pleasant. Okay, delightful or the pleasant. So like it was good party. Instead of saying this, we can say it was delightful party yesterday night, I enjoyed a lot. Okay, so we can replace good with delightful and pleasant. So next one is that anyways. So instead of using anyways, most of the time we use it. So instead of using anyways, we can use nevertheless. So let's take one example. Instead of saying anyways we'll meet tomorrow, we can use nevertheless we'll meet tomorrow. This could be the example of it, and this is the advanced one, so we can use it. The next one is that the colossal or the towering. For huge number of it, we can say something we have in the large amount, right? So instead of using huge, we can say towering or the colossal. Okay, colossal. So like I have colossal amount of work. So instead of saying I have huge work, no, we can use that a colossal amount of work, or maybe I have a towering amount of work. Like this we can use this. Okay, another one is that laughed. So most of the time we have used a laugh and the laughed. So instead of saying that, we can say doubled up or the cracked up. Okay, so let's take a one example. I laughed. Instead of saying that, we can say I cracked up on your jokes. Okay, so these were some of the words which you can use in your daily conversation, or the advanced word replacing basic one. So these were some words which I have shared in this video. So instead of using basic one, you can replace with these words. Okay, these words I have told you. Okay, so if you like this video, so like, subscribe and comment below if you like this video. Okay, and share it with your friends so that they would be getting a notification whenever I'll upload a new video. And in my previous video, as I mentioned, if you want me to talk or the make a video in Hindi language, or demanding some of the topics of the English grammar, so I can make video over that as well. Just comment below if you want. So till the time, keep learning and keep smiling.